Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to my channel, so please do subscribe to my channel. We post about skincare, makeup, and about all what products to buy on home, like random things to buy in home. Okay, so this is in this box. I have included the. I mean, these are the nail polishes from Nika. So if you're wondering what I'm wearing on my hands, so this is this nail polish. This is from Nika. So I will show you 6 nail polishes which are really beautiful, and you can wear these on everyday basis and for your parties and for your functions and etc. Okay, and I will show you. These are 3. Okay, so if you like this makeup, please go and watch on my YouTube channel. Like, you can wear this on black dress, and this is blue eye makeup. Okay, and if you really like this video and my makeup, please to go and watch my video and please subscribe. Okay, so and watch all my videos as well. I have created a playlist about everything, so go and watch that one. So let's get started. So this is Nika nail enamel. So this is in the shade So Delicious. Okay, So Delicious, remember it. So Delicious, which means this is like teal color, so which is So Delicious. Okay, and it has really beautiful packaging, and see here, so you will get everything. So you have to shake before you using. Okay, before you use. Okay, so this is the teal color and my nail polish. Okay, this is the nail polish. Okay, and next one is, so that is really good for colorful dresses, and this is like everyday color, which is this is also from nail enamel. This is not matte. This is black currant gelato 72. Okay, and this one is So Delicious 68. And this is black currant gelato. Okay, you cannot see the names, but you can see this, right? So this is okay, this is nail enamel black currant gelato 72. Okay, and this is like for like fun color and deep color. This is spice gingerbread 126. This is matte. Okay, I didn't apply this on my nails, so you can see this. So this is matte. See the packaging of the glass, and this is also matte. Okay, and I will upload single videos on each one on my hands. Okay, so you can see and try. So this is Nika nail enamel. So this is like cookie dough, something like that. This is Milky Way sandwich 252. As you can see this on my hand right here, you will get like dots like this, same as you can see here, like everything is like dot. Like as you can see, this is soft like here. Okay, so which is really good. So if people who like white color, so you can try this out. And I have got 6. So this one is Nika nail. This is also matte. So this is lavender panna cotta. This is 15. Okay, this is lilac and lavender mix. Okay, so this is also matte. And the final one is, so this is for festivals, and you can try this and people who like gold color, so this is your favorite definitely. So this is Nika Gold Rush nail decor, and this is in the number 113 Gold Mine. So this is like absolutely stunning color. Okay, so I will show you everything. These are like beautiful. Okay, so these are 6. so which are like beautiful colors. So if you like my taste and if you like this color, please give this video a like and share with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll post about makeup, skincare, and like DIY things. I didn't try, but I will if you like to. So these are the colors. So these are like bright to like everyday color. These are not like over color like popping colors. These are like subtle and nice simple colors. So people who like simple makeup and simple nails, so you can try this out. So that's it. So thank you for watching. And one more thing, I didn't mention the price. So and the ml. So everything comes with I mean 9 ml. Okay, everything comes in 9 ml. These are all 9 ml, and every one is 2. It's depends upon the range. You go and watch this. So this one is like 179. This is 200. Like this is like mattes are 175. This is like 200, and this is also like 200. So and for now there is sale, or I don't know, but you can buy these one like for 90 rupees. Okay. So these are like super colors, okay, fun colors. So hope you like this video. That is the haul. So as you can see the colors, right? So these are like beautiful colors. So hope you like this video, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.